This is about survival. Seems like the more you go through, you become an idol. The more you get on top, the more they wanna see you fall. And if you fall and don't get up, they be happy and all. But when you get up and get back to what's happening, those that turn their back on you say, what's happening, dog? I say everything blessed, I'm just rapping in bars. And yes, it really feels good to be back up in charge. The ghetto. Trying to make it in this thing called life. Make it in this thing called life. Where I'm coming from, people wanna pull you back. When you're moving and they've got nothing to do with that. You get dudes that do nothing trying to start shit, but in their heart they really wanna be a part of it. Names are mentioned in disrespect for attention. They know nothing about you but they make assumptions. You come across double crossers, they're around you. Guess you're the fool if you're thinking you're not amongst them. Especially when things are valuable around you. I keep a small circle of people in my Samsung. When you put in work, fans wanna crown you. Girls will pull down their skirts and polish your crown jewels. When they keep hearing you making underground news. And you're trying to be grounded because you can't lose. But when you're on the battleground, you know you can't snooze. These characters and roads are not no cartoons. Some are real ill, some will kill for real. Some of them act like they would never, but they still will. Some of us know we're gifted and go and build skill. But some of you are gonna miss it cause you still build. The game's in my hand cause I know the real deal. Anyone thinking they better take a chill pill. There's no other sound better on the street. Dirty goods, hate it and love it, it's bittersweet. Ghetto life, baby. Trying to make it in this thing called life. Make it in this thing called life. Yeah. We're gonna make it. Trying to make it in this thing called life. Make it in this thing called life. I've had them days where I don't see a meal on the grill, but now I'm grilling up, guarantee I see a meal. What makes you think this artist can't do Adele? Numbers with this pink shit, it's gotta sell. Cause it represents the block as well. And every country's got a ghetto where it's hot as hell. I got a story I just gotta tell. It's kinda firing, rhyming it on violins. I meditate with the highest the devil couldn't smell. No point in trying me or denying it. Kahuja bless, no man curse. Burn a spell, step aside with it. My men will ride with it. Where I'm from, you see hearses regular like the mail. People be crying and they're happy at the funeral. Pouring liquor on the floor cause it's traditional. Letting your family know that love is unconditional. But unconditional love is so unpredictable. They might just love you so much.